Hi, Vikas. Good morning. Yuta, hello. Bitai, how are you? Hi, Jordan. Liam, hello. Good morning. Black, hello. Bitai, hello. How are you, Blackheart? Good morning. Nothing, John Kerry. You don't have WhatsApp, John Kerry. Hi, Blackheart. Good morning. SJ, hello. Okay. Kiss mo ko, hi. ID number, hello. Sofra, how are you? What's that? You send your WhatsApp to me, Blackheart. You will have Mark, hello. Amilcar, how are you? Good morning. Hi, Amilcar. What are you doing? Send it to me here in the inbox. Chat kita. Say hello. 3 times hello. Kyle, hello. Ano na, Kyle? Free Vigo, hello. Robert, hi. Block, send mo na. Thank you. Send mo sa inbox, Block. Dan, hello. How are you, Dan? Good morning. Matrix, hello. Melo. Luis. Di kasi pwede yung message ko dito. Block. Hi, Luis. Good morning. Block, di pwede yung message ko dito. Okay, Luis. Take care of your work. Loren, hello. Wait. Dan. Fauza, hello. Block, di kasi pwede message ko dito, di kita ma-message. Casper, hello. Di nga pwede nga ni. Di siya pwede. Dark World, hello. Di ako makapag-message dito. Nababasa ko pero di mo marireceive yung reply ko. Andrej, hello. Gmix, hi. Ad, hello. Three, hello. Mike, how are you? Hi, Mike. Good morning. 4307, how are you doing? Hi, Mike. What are you doing? Good morning. Wait. Good morning, Mike. Wait lang. Eto na. How are you, Mike? Yeah, Taker, 4307, followed me back. Marco, hello. Mine. Saan mo yung WhatsApp mo?